Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? So yes, as you can see, finally here with a update of my natural hair. I know it's been like forever, I know, and the only reason why I was holding out on this is because I am so delayed, because I really wanted to share a product with you guys. Like, it's something that I formulated, and I have the products actually, but unfortunately I'm not able to like sell them just yet because they're not labeled. But anyways, before I jump into all of that, yes, this is my natural hair update. So this is what my hair is looking like since last time I did an update. Now it's only one update I've ever done after I did my second big chop. And that's because, like, I really didn't want to be doing too much natural hair videos. I found that before I did my second big chop, I was trying out so many different stuff, and I feel like somewhere along the journey my hair just got confused, and I was just trying stuff. I never take the time out to really learn about certain products long enough and how they mesh with my hair personally before I actually jump into trying them. What I told myself when I did my second big chop was that I would just stick with one product line all the way, and that's that. And that's exactly what I've been doing. And I did my second big chop in 2018. And if you guys know, you know. So I'll insert some clips here of what my hair looked like when I did that big chop. So I shaved off my head sides completely and did a little carving action. I wasn't sure honestly if I was going to, jump into growing out back my hair immediately when I did that big chop, because I really was enjoying the cut. But I said, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. So that's what I did. So literally when I just big chop, I went ahead and got the product line that I'm still using up to today. Like last year now, when after I gave my first update, I hope you guys are following. I hope I'm not confusing you, but after I gave my first update, I pretty much said, you know what, I want to moisturize a little bit more. The line that I had is pretty good, but it didn't have like a strong moisturizer as far as I can recall. They do have moisturizing products, but it's not as moisturizing like for what I'm looking for. So I said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and do my research on some essential oils and see what works best for me. And that's what I did. I went out, I did my research on so many different oils, and I combined them all. And if you guys know, you know that good essential oils are so expensive. And that's what I did, and that's how I formulated this product here that you're looking at. It has over 10 different essential oils in it, and that's what I use it, I say, at least 5 days of the week. At least. If I do miss, I don't let it pass 2 nights. So I usually rub it in my scalp every night before bed. I massage it for at least 5 minutes. Just normally I just sit down, I watch TV, and I'll just be massaging, especially because my hair is mostly in braids and stuff. But yeah, so this year 2020 would make 2 solid years since I've been growing out my hair back, so this would be 2 years growth. But I actually started to use my oil here, my growth oil that I formulated since September of last year, which is 2019. And I'll show you little clips, because what happened, okay, so in December, it was the ending of November going into December, I had all my stuff saved on. I put them on a hard drive, an external hard drive, and every single thing gone. The hard drive got damaged, everything got just corrupt, and my results that I've been tracking from the day I started to use the oil on my hair, it got lost. But luckily I wasn't testing this out on my hair alone. If you watch my vlogs, you're familiar with my one-time neighbor Monique, and I gave her one of the oil, and she used it like at least 3 times, I believe she said, a week. She has relaxed hair, and I'll just put in little clips of how her hair grew, because I remember showing that on my vlog channel and people were so curious to know what the hell she was using in her hair. And it was this oil here that I formulated. I also gave it to my mother, I gave it to my sister. My sister don't use it that much because she's just not one to stick to a routine, but she uses it here and there, and she has really healthy hair, so it only helped to boost the thickness and stuff for her hair more. So as I said, I've been using it very consistently. What I found with using this is that it really enhanced the body of my hair. First and foremost, you guys know that I focus more on health rather than length, and I must say my hair has grown like wildfire. Like my hair is, I have a bad case of shrinkage all the time. My shrinkage just going like it always want flap my show. I say, I don't know. I did blow dry my hair. I just say, you know what, I'm gonna do it for the sake of the people. I just don't like heat, you know. But I said the other day, that was like probably 2 months ago, I did this I blow dry my hair. I let my mother blow dry my hair, and this was how the hair was looking. So I'm like, yo, that's lit. My hair was coming on very nicely without my oil before, because as I said, I chose one product line. I stick to the product line, but I pretty much feel like it's a general thing. Like I feel like you need to find something that works for your hair personally, and because everybody is different, what I might use might not work for you, and what you might use might not work for me. So with the product line, I feel like I did try out a product from that line years ago, but I did not stick to it. But I knew that it was really good based on how my hair felt, but I just didn't stick to it just because I was doing so many other like brand deals and stuff like for product companies and stuff. So it's just like a case where I never get back around to it. So it's like I have a nice idea of other hair product company, natural hair product companies, and I say I wanted to give this company a try. It is also a local company, and that's what I did, and I feel like that company, it really, I don't know, those products, they really enhance the body of my hair and just the thickness. It would just make my hair feel super healthy. There's a treatment in it that I use, and it makes the hair super voluminous. These are the products, and the name of the company is Ox. So I've been using the Ox system since 2018. No, this is not sponsored at all. Okay, it's not sponsored. Took up my own money. I went and bought these products from the store, and yeah, I got everything. I found that this product line is not even that popular. When I first started to use it, I tried to find videos here on YouTube for it and stuff. I couldn't find anything. I don't even know if there's still anything that much for it, but that just goes to show you that sometimes somebody not necessarily have to always rave over something for you to believe that it's good. Or I don't know, some things are just, I don't know, some good things just don't get the amount of attention that they deserve, basically. So that is the product line I've been using in combination with my growth oil. And this oil, I am going to call it the Divinity Growth Oil. Now the story why it doesn't have a label as it is, I don't want to call it a name because I've been hearing that YouTube be taking out videos when you call a name, but you know the situation that's going on now with the whole quarantine and everything. That's what really held me back. I went in full on just the other day. I went and I packaged everything, I mixed everything and stuff. Yes, I did it all by myself. I went out, I got all the oils and stuff. So just to give you a little insight on what type of oils are in my oil. So you have neem oil, look it up, okay? You have neem oil, marula oil. My base oil is castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil. You can't go wrong with that. Yes, I do have glycerin in there. I have coconut oil. I have grapeseed oil. I have lavender oil. Like, I have a lot of good growth oils, and that's just to name a few of the oils that are in this combination, in this mix up, and it's all essential oils. So far so good. And as I say, what what this does for the hair is it first like boosts the strength. It makes the hair get extremely thick, and that's what I love about it. It really makes the hair get really thick. And trust me, when I just started to use it, I didn't have anything in the back of my mind that I would ever sell it or anything like that. It's just that everybody around me was like, you know, say if you sell this, it would be a really good thing. And I was like, I don't know. And up to now, I am still nervous. I need to stop doubting myself, you know, because honestly, when I saw how Monique's hair, the fact that she has not relaxed hair, you can definitely see her growth easier. So when I saw the growth, I was like just amazed by that, and I was just like, yo, okay, cool. It helped to really build my confidence and stuff. I haven't seen her in a while, so honestly I don't know how she's holding up with her hair and stuff. I haven't seen her in a while, so because of this whole quarantine and stuff. But this is how my hair is looking. I'm going to insert some footages here of when I was, you know, prepping it for how it is currently. So I did a wash and go. I did a wash and go with the extremely good gel. It's the Wetline Extreme. I use Eco Styler gel when I'm going to do wash and goes and stuff, which I don't do a lot. As you guys know, I haven't been wearing my hair out any at all, just because I really wanted to come out with this product, and I just feel like because you guys have been waiting so long, and I also told you guys that I would put up a natural hair update soon. I felt bad. I was like, no, I really need to do the video and just explain everything to you guys. So that is the hold up. Unfortunately, no, I cannot sell any of these products just yet because I need to label them. I cannot. You understand? So I hope you guys understand that. Yeah, this is going to be the packaging, because everything is packaged like this currently. I really hope that you know coming here and telling you guys all of this really helped you all. It kept you informed. I hope this was informative. So yeah, as I said, I use this gel for my hair today for this wash and go. I don't know how I feel about it. I still feel like I prefer my Eco Styler gel. If you want to get better definition, I feel like my hair is extremely thick now. It's like 3 times thicker than what it was before. My hair was always very thick, but to be honest, ever since I've come on this journey, this new natural hair journey, and the way I really came into it being so disciplined and patient, I feel like I've experienced a different type of growth, you know. And when you're not trying every single product out there, that's such a good thing. At least for me it is. Like, you don't get distracted, you stick to one regimen. Trust me, it works wonders. So that's what I've been doing pretty much, and this is how my hair is looking. I love it. It feels amazing. And let me tell you something, you see the ends of my hair? You see the ends of my hair? I have not trimmed it. From the day I did the second big chop till now, I have not trimmed it. I know that probably sounds ridiculous because it's almost 2 years. Yeah, so that's the next thing that I noticed. Like, my hair, the shedding really minimized. Like, the shedding really, I still get shedding, yeah, but like it's on, oh my gosh. Like, before I did my second big chop, that's one thing that's why I knew that my hair was damaged after taking those vitamins. Like, my hair was just shedding. Think now, like, it retains so much of what I'm using on it, and it's just an amazing feeling, you know. Yes, so I think tip 1 is to find a regimen, find a product line that works for you. Okay, tip 2 is to stick to that line. Do not get distracted. Do not get distracted at all. Number 3 is, you know, I'd say maintain a good, I don't want to say diet, but like maintain good nutrition. I do drink a lot of water. Number 4 is just leave your hair alone. Leave it alone and let it grow. Just leave it alone. Stop paying it mind. If you just follow through like that, you'll be fine. And As I said, the only thing that I added, which was last year September, was when I started to use this growth oil, apart from the product line that I've been using. So that is just bomb. That's crazy, that's insane, and I'm loving it so far. So yeah, that's pretty much. I don't know if I didn't hit on anything that you want to know, anything related to the product, I will explain in another video, but I really just wanted to update you guys in full because I know that I would get questions about this today in this video, and because I know that some of you guys pick up that I have a product that I'm using. Any other details related to this, I'll put it in a video, and you can drop your questions down below that you want me to address for my next natural hair video, and I'll try to answer them. But for the most part, this is how my hair is doing. It's doing absolutely amazing. See? Yeah, shrinkage is just crazy. As it relates to the gel I use for this wash and go though, I feel like I get better curl definition with Eco Styler gel. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching my natural hair update. Thanks for sticking around. If it was informative, go ahead and give it a thumb up, and just drop your other natural hair suggestions down below. As I said, I'm not going to be doing a lot of natural hair videos, but I'll do them here and there, and I'll definitely come back with a detailed video on my oil and in terms of when it will go on sale and stuff like that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.